wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Happy Halloween, kids! I'm a Mandalorian. Yes, kids, I decided to be a Star Wars character this year so I can steal all your candy. Can you guess who I am? I'm Sabine Wren. Woohoo! She's the best, isn't she? Who have you decided to dress up as? A princess? Or maybe a Marvel comic character? Like Spider-Man? Now, before we go trick-or-treating, let's check in with Noah and Olivia, who have another special craft plan for us. How to make a jack-o'-lantern.
Happy Halloween! Do you guys know what you're going to dress up as yet?
No?
No? Ooh.
I've definitely made my selection.
Ooh. I have too.
When are you going to make your choice? Are you going to give away any secrets?
Oh, no.
For the kids the kids want to guess.
Well, I think I'm going to have two that are kind of put together to be one.
Two to put together in one.
Yeah.
Are you a unicorn?
Nope.
I'm going to wear orange.
Ooh. Are you a crossing guard?
No.
Oh, are you a pumpkin?
No.
Oh, are you sure?
No, but we're going to make a pumpkin
Exactly.
today.
That's why I was thinking maybe you were going to be a pumpkin because today we're making a pumpkin.
Yeah, no, I want to make one, but I'm not going to be one.
Okay, well...
I guess you kids still have to continue guessing which
keep
one
guessing.
will be.
Yeah, if you guys have any ideas, let us know, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
We might have left some hints for you.
Ooh, yeah, maybe.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do today.
Okay.
So, we're going to use 2 pieces of felt.
Yep.
One piece of felt is orange.
And one black right here.
Yeah. And the black one, you could use paper too, it'd be okay. But
Yeah.
the orange one needs to be felt.
Yeah. Why?
Okay.
Well, why do we need felt though?
Well, because we're gonna take and cut a pumpkin into the orange felt,
Okay.
and then the black is gonna be pieces for the eyes and the nose and the mouth. We're gonna make a jack-o'-lantern, and then we're gonna put Velcro on the back of the black pieces to stick to the orange piece. And you could do that with paper or anything, just so long as the Velcro's on it.
So we're going to make a pumpkin that you can make different designs with because of the Velcro.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
That's going to be fun.
Yay!
So what do we have to do?
I drew a pumpkin on some white paper, and then I cut it out with safety scissors, and you can draw a pumpkin. It's basically just like a kind of lopsided circle with a point at the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you want to...
if you wanted to make it easy on you, I'm sure you can find a printout online.
Yeah, you can definitely go online and just type in pumpkin outline, and then you can print that out.
Yeah.
And then you're
But Olivia's so good, she just did it freehand.
Aw, thanks, Noah.
Yeah, you did.
I was practicing.
I watched you.
Yeah.
I was quite impressed.
It took me a couple, though.
That's okay.
And then you put it on your orange felt, and then you take a pencil.
And you basically just trace it, right?
Yep, you just trace it. And...
So while Olivia's going to trace it, I'm going to cut out some pieces out of this one for the mouth. Basically, it can be anything. You see our jack-lantern up front, so it can be triangles for the nose, and then half circles for the eyes, or really weird mouth. It can be anything, really. So once she's done, I'm going to cut out that and the black pieces all together.
Okay, I think I'm done with this one.
Okay, I'll take this.
Okay.
And I'm going to start cutting, yeah?
Okay, yeah.
Kids, why don't you collect all of these items at home and make sure you have everything and start working on it, and we're going to cut all of these things out, and then we'll show you the different designs you can make.
Yeah, that sounds awesome. And remember, you can cut like squiggly lines for a mouth, or mouths with teeth, or rectangles, any kind of shape, or stars even,
Yep.
Anything.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you guys in a minute.
Yep.
All right, see you soon. Okay.
Yeah, I'll hold it
Okay.
up. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh, that looks good too.
Yeah, well, that's very fun.
Although I think the other mouth would fit better.
Yeah, I think so too. The
Okay,
other mouth was
so let's
happier.
put that one on.
Yeah, let's put that one back on. Do you want me to hold it down?
Yeah, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Very good. Yeah.
Then,
Because it's very, very sticky, Velcro is.
yeah.
Cute.
Okay,
Okay.
there we go.
And there we go. There's our pumpkin.
Yeah, it looks
Yay.
good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it looks great.
I think we should hang it up somewhere.
Yeah, let's hang it. Oh, let's hang it up on our room door, so then we can change the face every day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, awesome.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, let's do that.
that sounds great.
Wow, that was pretty cool. But you know, to be a bit scary at home, how about we also create a Frankenstein hand? I believe Noah has planned an experiment for us to do at home as well.
We're super excited because Halloween is coming in and we have a special Halloween science project.
Yay, Halloween science project.
So here are the ingredients you'll need, kid, because you can do this at home as well.
Yeah, it's gonna be really fun.
You'll need a latex glove or a plastic glove, just like here.
Yep.
Then some baking soda,
Okay.
a tablespoon measuring spoon,
Okay.
and some citric acid
Or vinegar.
or vinegar.
And ours is red, and you could dye yours any color you wanted if you put a tiny bit of food coloring in it. Like for science, you could do, or for Halloween, I mean, you could do like green, because like Frankenstein, or maybe orange, or maybe just like your favorite colors.
Okay, are you ready, kids? You got all your stuff ready? Let's start.
Okay.
So here's my measuring spoon, and here's my baking soda. And I'm going to put some in there, just like that. And then I'm going to take my glove. That's done here. See, that's all done. We're going to take our cup, pour some citric acid in there.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to put this glove around the cup, and just to make sure that it doesn't go off, it is very tightly on our cup and it doesn't have any holes, we're going to take a rubber band and fasten it very tightly. So now it's time for our science! But before we do that, of course, you already have your goggles on.
Yes,
I'm going to put
ready.
mine on.
Ooh, you look very good in goggles.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
And now you should take maybe just a little bit of a step back.
Ooh.
And then I'm gonna take the cup. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Be careful.
Okay, I'm careful. I'm back.
Goggles are on.
Goggles are on.
Okay, kids, are you ready?
Ready!
1,
1,
2.
2. Oh, don't repeat.
I'm a little bit afraid that I'm gonna have it all spilled out all over the place. You made sure that was tight, right?
Yes, I made sure that was tight.
Okay, good. Okay, kids, ready?
Ready!
Let's do some science!
Okay, science!
1, 2, 3, and shake!
Okay, now set it down. Whoa, look at that.
Whoa! Kids, did you see the hand blow up like that?
That's amazing. Oh, we should pause. Let's move back. Move back. Is it safe?
I think it's safe. I'm
Okay.
safe, but you stay in the back.
Okay. It looked like it was going to explode.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love explosions.
Yeah, that's maybe not so safe.
Oh, for a moment there I thought the hand was going to explode, but it didn't. That's a pretty cool experiment. Well, kids, I think it's time to go trick-or-treating. I'm gonna get my bag ready so I can get lots of candy. I wish you a wonderful and happy Halloween. Get lots of candy and have fun trick-or-treating. Bye!
Yeah, happy Halloween. It's the bestest holiday of the whole year.
Yeah.
It is so good. So good.
It's certainly fun.
It's very fun. Ooh,
I see
Noah.
you pick fairy tale as your final costume.
I did. I'm a fairy princess.
You are a fairy princess.
Yeah.
It looks really good on you.
Yeah, I have fairy wings, and I have my fairy crown, as you can see. Yeah, and my fairy skirt.
Wow.
Yeah.
That looks really cool.
Thanks. And I can see that you
Ta-da!
are astronaut Noah.
Yeah, I am. Here.
Whoa.
Oh, now I can actually...
Oh, is that better?
I can now breathe.
Ooh, is it hot in an astronaut suit?
Yeah, it is very hot. Can we go trick-or-treating?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. For now, we should go trick-or-treating.
I got my pillowcase.
Yay, I got mine too.
Yay.
Woo! Okay, so let's look and find our houses, yeah?
Yeah, should we go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
That's the best of them all.
Whoa. That's amazing.
I think we can get a lot of candy here.
Yeah, they clearly love Halloween.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should go here, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Let's see if we can get all of our candy here.
Yeah, let's get all our candy here.
We got our pillowcases
Yeah.
now.
God, I'm totally ready now.
Okay, I'm ready too.
Okay.
Well, I guess we should say goodbye to the kids, right?
Yeah, let's say bye to the kids.
Okay. Kids,
Mm-hmm.
thanks for watching Dream Again.
Thank you guys for coming. I hope you guys have fun Halloween trick-or-treating.
Yeah, and I hope you enjoy our costumes.
Ooh, yeah, and I would love to see some pictures of your guys' costumes if you want to send them in.
Yeah, and you can let us know which one's better, hers or mine.
Definitely mine.
Definitely mine.
Definitely mine.
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 Mine. Well, I'm going to get more candy than you anyways.
Well, we'll just see about that.
Yeah, we
won't
will. All right,
Okay,
kids. Have
happy
fun.
Halloween.
Bye. Happy Halloween.
Happy trick-or-treating. Bye.
Happy trick-or-treating. Have fun.
I'm going to beat you to
No,
it.
I'm going to beat you. I'm going to beat you.
Trick-or-treat.
Trick-or-treat.
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!